I don't know if she's going to have a full go at roaring, or she's just going to contact call. It's a roar. It's a locating sort of mechanism. It carries much further than this little grunting. So she does really want to locate the rest of the pride. A big roar and wait for a reply. The roars can carry long distance. The male's roars we can hear 8 kilometres away. They can hear much further than that. The lioness, maybe we would be able to hear half that distance, 4, and then maybe 8 for the lions themselves. They should do. They should do. See that? Yeah, it should be fine. She's on Newington there. It shouldn't be a problem. Well, they're going to mate behind us now. That's not going to be very fair, is it?
What's going on with that middle of Mapogo?
That's fucking bizarre, but she's going up bush by now.
Wow, this is more stuff. Oh wow.